31 and today this is another episode. I forgot. We're just all doing it in like one day, but I will release like who wins on like a random episode, guys. So be listening to the very end, guys. At the beginning of the video, I'll tell you guys who won, and at the end, I'll tell you guys the question, guys. So if you guys want to enter, just leave it in the comments below and you can get it. Why is there a horse dying?
Leather.
Okay, make armor. Okay, I'm gonna go kill some cows. And if you guys haven't seen last episode when me and my brother got some iron tools, but I found it all, and I gave him the iron stuff that he needed. Well, that we basically have to have. We're just killing horses, guys, just so we can get leather or some armor. We don't want to be naked forever. There's some more. Why are there so many pigs on this island? This island is like full of pigs. Oh yeah, there's some more. Guys, so it's all gonna be. You guys, yes, give me some boots, but I'm saving till a chest plate. Smarter idea, right? Halfway there to the chest plate, so why not wait?
I'm gonna make cookies.
You can't. You need wheat. You don't need sugar for cookies. In my country, they're like sugar-free cookies. Ah! Oh! I thought it was just like a normal one block.
The beefaling. You know,
Beefaling.
I'm gonna use this stone sword for hunting.
Oh, there's a piece of wool behind you.
Donald.
Yeah, we can't make cookies. You have to have a jungle biome. Or a farm. Or a village, I mean.
I want a cake.
Hey. Cake?
Yeah.
You can make that. You just need some chickens. Johnny. To make the eggs. To get the eggs.
Alright.
Just don't waste the eggs. Oh, go this way. Sorry guys for that. My brother has some. My older brother has some friends over, so you might hear some talking in the background. Okay, but this is what I need for our roof, guys. Our roof is going to be birch, except for our bedrooms. Because I did some off camera and I built something. I'm just going to show you guys. It wasn't that necessary, but I built it for us. I built the furnaces over here. I have a chest in this rock. That's my room for the birch. And this is my brother's room. We just put all our like stuff that we want in this chest. That's what we mainly meant for. For the camera.
Oops, yes.
So thanks for that and for the camera. This is my brother's walking by. Leaving. Hello. It's us. I need some animals. Oh, Johnny! Can I have that brown bowl?
Okay, I threw it on the ground somewhere.
Oh, then I don't need it. Because I already have one in my inventory, so I don't need it. Because I was building. I wish you could, like, grab, like, the dye from what it's on.
Yeah.
Where's brown? Oh, I was in the wrong area. Yes. Okay, I made some brown carpet.
Two cows.
Oh, I need some leather. Are you almost full of leather armor?
Yeah.
What do you have? I am in need for something, Johnny. Armor. I only have 4 leather. I know I can make boots, but I'm saving it, Johnny. Because so sometimes I might be like silent just talking to my brother. Because this is me and my brother who's in the series. Because my friend might join sometimes, but he won't be part of the series. He'll probably just be in the series just sometimes just to say hi or something. But
It's gonna be like Toad.
Who's Toad?
Remember the song?
Oh yeah, Toad just sometimes comes in.
Yeah.
Okay.
She sounds just like the Toad in that Starbomb song.
And guys, subscribe to Starbomb. I don't know what to make.
Ha ha ha. Here.
Do you have any leftover leather? I'm saving that. I need 3 more to make. You have your own personal chest. You can make it
Oh,
all.
I got full.
Yes, yes, Cowie. Cowie! You got 1 leather. 2 more to go for a chest plate.
Yeah.
Why did you never share your armor?
So my nickname, it's a pretty legit nickname because mine is the Bowman. Because you'll find out once I get a bow.
Yes, guys.
Because I can snipe him. Because we've got a PvP area where I've sniped him all across the map.
Yes. I was in the middle of the forest and he was just shooting randomly and he shot me in the head.
And then we're on an island one time. He was running away from me, and I just, headshotted him.
Yeah, he just shot me in the head. So his name is Bozeman. I'm a swordsman. I'm really good with the sword. Guys, in the series you probably see me better with the sword rather than a bow. Don't hit me.
I'm not.
I'm not an animal.
I'm gonna go for
I
trees.
technically am. I'm a cave spider.
You're
So,
an insect.
no, it's a spider.
Arachnid.
Yay!
Who needs a map?
Yes! We need the map. I have one though. I just use it so I can keep track where we are.
No, see how organized my inventory is? Look at yours.
Oh, I've been mining a bunch, so I've been not even caring about my inventory and stuff. So guys, I'm just building the roof while my brother is murdering cows and getting armor and stuff. Go mining for us, Johnny. All this video has been is just us walking around. Guys, so I'm just finishing. Yeah. Finally, I have 20 birch wood. Oh, and Johnny, these are actually commands. These are commands. So I can make it basically ultra hardcore, so food won't heal us, even if we have full hunger bar. I'm just saying that ultra hardcore, that's what people call it, since you can't reach it unless you have a potion effect. Johnny.
Yeah.
How much wood am I gonna get? So I'm gonna get out my map. Because who said who needs a map? Who is the creator of it? Or what series is it? I'll give you guys a hint. It's in a hardcore series. But what YouTuber series is it in? You have to tell me what series, which YouTuber did the series. And if you guys do it correct, you will get on my wall of fame. Guys, I hope you guys watch my Riddle Who Win video, who will win, because no one has ever commented on it, and I hope you guys can, because I've always been wondering why is no one commenting on it. I'm building a roof.
Do you have any sticks?
On me?
Oh wait, no, I have some. Never mind.
Are you happy that I'm doing this?
Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye!